Guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how you can fix your discover button if it's not showing over on your TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. So here, if I move to my TikTok, right here you can see on the top I have a search icon, which is basically our discover button. And if you don't have this button here, what you can do, you just have to go to your Google Play Store, and over there you have to search for TikTok and check if there is any update for TikTok is currently available. Then you have to update TikTok to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is the update. So you have to update your TikTok to its latest version, and once you are done with that, simply now go back to your home screen and hold your TikTok application, go to app info, and then from here you're going to go to story usage and simply clear the cache. Now this is the corrupted cache memory which we have to clear in order to get a resetted version of Instagram. Once you're done with that, now go ahead and relaunch your TikTok, and this time most probably you'll not face any kind of issue. Now if it's still not showing in your TikTok, then you can just report this problem by going to your profile section and then going to settings and privacy, and then from here select report a problem, scroll down and click on submit a report. Now you can just describe your issue, something like that: hey TikTok, my discover button is not showing, kindly help me to recover it out, and just submit the request. As soon as they get your request, now within 24 hours your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your discover button over on TikTok. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.